Greg, yet another fantastic open house at Dugard in Brighton. Now, you've got the revamped Dugard 1000 Y Plus. Now, what is new about this machine?
What Chevalier have done is they've altered the guarding, so the guarding is now curved and more aesthetically pleasing. They've also updated the colour scheme on it as well.
And I also see that you've got the large window and the lighting. Is this also new?
Yeah, this is new. They've made it so there's more area to see inside the machine.
Now, in regards to the standard features of this machine, you know, the Y-axis, X-axis, what kind of capacity do you have?
The Y-axis has got 620, Z-axis is 510, and the X-axis is 1020.
What about the spindle speed?
Spindle speed standard is 10,000 direct drive, so it's a lot quieter.
And do you have any optional extras on the spindle speed?
Yes, we do. Yes, we have 15,000 or 20,000. So.
And in regards to the control system, I see with this particular model behind you, you've got a hide and iron control. Is this the only option?
No, you can also have the machine with a FANUC option as well, which is a reduced price.
Now, people looking for a 3-axis machine, how should they get in touch?
They can have a look on the website. They can see the full spec of the machine on the website, or they can just ring us up, make an appointment and come in and have a look at it.